All right, news now of the markets and markets tanking today. The Sensex down 500 points. Let's go across to Hina for more. Hina, what is the reason?
Well, Gargi, just to simplify, yesterday markets went up without any particular reason. Today markets are falling down without any particular reason. So there's not a specific thing that we can say that this is leading to this kind of a bloodbath that we are seeing on Dalal Street. But, you know, analysts, what they have been saying that since Indian equity markets had run up way too much, they gained way too much without any significant change in the fundamentals. So now there is some sort of a realization that on the ground things don't really have improved. And that is the reason why we are seeing this kind of a sell-off back into the markets once again. In just 2 days, Sensex had gained over 1,000 points and now it has lost over 500 points in just one single day. Though on one hand, the finance minister did try to ease concerns, the tax concerns of FIIs as far as the MAT issue is concerned. That did have some sort of an impact on Dalal Street on Friday and on Monday. But today it's back again into the corrective phase as we are seeing on for both Sensex as well as Nifty. Clearly, it's the banking space which is losing in a big way because of the poor numbers which all these banks have been coming out with. Punjab National Bank came out with very bad numbers, asset quality absolutely bad. So bad loans, the issue of bad loans has been consistently there for quite some time. An issue which has also been raised by various rating agencies which rate India. They say till the government does something to improve the asset quality in the public sector banks, you know, an outlook, a rating upgrade is something which may not really come up. So earnings by all these banks has been quite disappointing, which is another reason which has led to this kind of a sell-off that we are seeing in the markets today. So today in particular, there is no specific reason, but it's again that the markets are back into that corrective mode. Again, there is some sort of profit taking that we are seeing after a huge run in the markets that we saw on Friday and on Monday. And at the same time, even rupee is quite weak today. It has again gone back to that level of 64.20 against the dollar, a level that we earlier saw on 9th of May this month.